Hi, I'm Abby J, and I grew up in a small town in North Georgia on the Sequoia River where farming was a way of life. My husband and I own and operate Black Hawk Fly Fishing. And today I am the creator of Abby J's Gourmet. It is a full line of tailgating products you can find in your local Ingles deli. And now, thanks to Ingles, I'm going to be making my pork belly sliders. For a full list of the ingredients, be sure to visit inglestable.com. You can print out a list and take it with you, or pull it up on your smartphone when you arrive at the store. Now let's get cooking. Just got back from Ingles and I've got a really nice pork belly, and I'm going to show you how to score it and prepare it to go on the grill. So the first thing you do here, you want to take the pork belly and cut diagonally about an inch away from each other, like so. The pork belly is the best part of the pig or the hog, whichever, and that's the bacon. A lot of folks don't know much about pork belly, but this is the center cut of the bacon. That's where you get your bacon, is from the pork belly. And this is on lots of menus all over. And then what you want to do is do the opposite and go down. This helps with seasoning. If you want to, I'm going to season this with some herbs. You got to have a sharp knife too to really get this. I'm going to season it with some herbs. And the reason we do this is because we want all those seasonings to go down and really make the pork taste better. So I've got some garlic here and some shallots, and you can even use fennel. I love fennel, but we're not going to use that today. But I do have some fresh thyme and rosemary. That's what we're going to do. And normally I would put this in the refrigerator overnight, but we're going to go out and put this on the grill and come back, and I'm going to make some really nice jalapeno mustard slaw. We just put the pork belly on the big green egg at 300. We're gonna let that cook for at least 3 hours, slow cook, so it's gonna be really great. And right now, I'm gonna make the jalapeno mustard slaw, and I'm gonna use my jalapeno mustard sauce. So let's get started. We're gonna incorporate the jalapeno mustard sauce. We're gonna take about a half a cup of Duke's mayonnaise, and we're gonna stir this together. It's going to be beautiful. I use red cabbage and white cabbage, and this makes it really colorful. And to really give it some fire, we got some jalapeno peppers, of course. Can't do without those. And then we're going to add our salt and our pepper. And this is going to be perfect with the pork sliders. This is so easy to make, and it's game day, so you want something really great to kick off that game day. So I think we've got our slaw here. So meanwhile, I'm going to go check on the pork belly, and I'll be right back to put together these beautiful sliders. Just got my pork belly off the grill and can't wait to put together these pork sliders. So here we go. We've made our slaw, and we're just gonna cut some pieces off the pork belly. It's really hot and tender. So you wanna make really thin slices. We've cooked this to 225 degrees, and we're just gonna cut little pieces here, and this is how we assemble it. We wanna take the bread, put the beautiful heirloom tomatoes here, and here's a piece we'll top right here. So we're gonna finish this slider up with some slaw, and we're gonna top it with the toasted bun, and we can't forget my Fork Sweet Fire Pickles. This is gonna really make it really wonderful. And there you have it, my pork belly jalapeno mustard slider. It's great for game day. And folks, we're running out of time. I want to thank you for joining me here today. And for my recipes and more tricks, visit us at the Ingles table. Until next time, I'll see you online.